Conrad Wolfram from Wolfram Alpha has written a book called The Math Fix. I'm going to read you a little bit of the summary and let's see what you think. Why are we all taught math for years in our lives? Does it really empower everybody or fail most and disenfranchise many? Is it crucial for the AI age or an obsolete rite of passage? Let's see what he says. The Math Fix is an education blueprint for the AI age, and it's a groundbreaking book that exposes why maths education is in crisis worldwide and how the only fix is fundamentally new mainstream. It's a fundamentally new mainstream subject. It argues that today's math education is not working to elevate society with modern computation, data science, and AI. Instead, students are subjugated to compete with what computers do best, and they lose. This is the only book to explain why being bad at maths may be as much the subject's fault as the learners. How a stuck educational ecosystem has students, parents, teachers, schools, employers, and policymakers running in the wrong direction to catch up with real-world requirements. But it goes further too, for the first time setting out a completely alternative vision for a core computational school subject to fix the problem and seed more general reformation of education for the AI age. This is an interesting book. There are some other resources, but what you'll find is Singapore, India, and Nigeria seem to do very well, as well as many other countries, but I'm using those three because I've studied them. They're doing very well in producing students that can do very good mathematical calculations and high-level math. America can learn from some of those countries, but America can also take advantage of a book like this to see how you can get more students who have lost interest in math to consider gaining interest again. How do we do this? Well, we use the connections with AI, we use the connections with data science, we show the students the application of what they're learning, and we watch and we see, from what I've seen, I see that students are more willing then to engage with the material when they see the point. They see why am I doing this? That's the question I keep hearing students ask. And the answer should be, because it will help you be a better critical thinker for sure. It will help you solve some problems. And even topics in pure mathematics or topics that you might never use, quote unquote, guess what? 200 years from now, it might help somebody. And so why don't you apply your mind to learn it well and maybe make it better? Let me give you an example. There's a French mathematician by the name of Joseph Fourier. And his work is what is used today in Fourier transform in medical imaging. So when he did his work back then, though, we didn't have CT scanners because those didn't come till the 1970s. So clearly, the work he did in the 17 or 1800s is now used today, right? So sometimes we never know when the thing we're learning or building upon will be used. Let's encourage our students to apply themselves to excellence in STEM. And then let's encourage families to check out books like this and see what you think about how or what areas of math need to change or what aspects of math education need to change. We still need to learn our multiplication tables. We still need to learn some of the fundamental facts of mathematics. But maybe we can use technology, AI, to increase efficiency and maybe get more kids completing calculus in 10th grade. What do you think? Leave your comments in the comment section. This is Amos Tarfa, Amos the Math Guy. Take care and have a blessed day.